Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the elegance and functionality of the ZINUS Allen mid-century wood platform bed frame. A stunning piece that brings classic mid-century design to your bedroom with its rounded legs and solid wood finish. This bed frame is not only stylish but also durably crafted with a solid wooden framework, ensuring long-lasting, squeak-free use, supporting up to 700 pounds for all sizes except twin, which supports up to 350 pounds. Say goodbye to the hassle of a box spring, as the sturdy wooden slats are designed to support and extend the life of your latex, memory foam, or spring mattress. Assembly is a breeze with all tools, parts, and instructions packed into one box, allowing you and a friend to set it up in under an hour. Plus, you can rest easy knowing it comes with a worry-free 5-year warranty. Please note, the mattress is sold separately, but with this bed frame, you're investing in both style and durability. So, if you're looking to upgrade your bedroom with a touch of mid-century charm, the ZINUS Allen bed frame might just be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.